What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I have for you the unbagging of my Ipsy bag. Now this is the first Ipsy that I've gotten, second Ipsy that I've gotten. I resubscribed because I wanted access to their add-ons, their special sales, and I also was trying to get a Thrive Cosmetics mascara for half price. So I decided to go ahead and keep it for a couple months, see what the kind of add-ons were, especially since I was so grrr at BoxyCharm. Yeah, so if you'd like to see what I got in my Ipsy bag, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, first of all, the bag is so cute. It's got all these different ladies sunbathing. Isn't that cute? And it's got a little green tag that says Ipsy on it. It was kind of ironic that I decided to resubscribe to Ipsy in order to have access to their add-ons, and then my very first month I didn't order any add-ons. So what I got is just what came in my bag this time. Okay, the first item is by Maeli. I'm going to open it where I can maybe see this a little better. It's Mael. And this is a Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips. And it is in the shade of Fuchsia. So this looks like a roll up, maybe tinted lip balm, which I love. And this reminds me of those Clinique lip balms, tinted lip balms. So that's a really pretty color. It doesn't have a scent, but it's very pigmented for a tinted lip balm. Very pretty color. This is something that I think I will probably throw in my gym bag, because this is something I can just put on whenever I'm coming out of there or going into there, and it's something small that I can keep in my gym bag is probably what I'm going to do with this. Next is by Eggplant, and this is actually, I guess the brand is Papa Recipe, and this is Eggplant Mud Cream Mask. Clearing Mud, yeah, Papa Recipe Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Mask. I have masks coming out of my ears, therefore this will be included in a gift to somebody. Next is Marc Anthony True Professional Bye Bye Frizz Silicone Free Protecting Leave-In Conditioner. I love leave-in conditioners because they almost always are very lightweight and don't weigh the hair down. They almost never weigh the hair down, so I like conditioners that I can put in and add a little bit of moisture to my ends without, you know, it weighing my hair all down or making my hair feel greasy. Let's see what this one smells like, since I know I'm going to keep it. It's got a safety seal on it. 6 hours later. Oop. Well, that's what it looks like. It smells really good. This is the consistency. Smells really good. So I'm excited to try that. Next is House of Makeup Long Lasting Nail Lacquer. What a cute little box. Cute little decorations. I like the color. So let's see. The color is number 24 Frozen. Ooh, it's like Tiffany blue. I will be using this. I am now painting my own nails again, so I've been looking for some new nail colors, and luckily I've been getting a lot in my subscriptions. And last, I'm super surprised about. This is a full-size Ofra highlighter in the shade Soho. And I'm really surprised about this because these are like $40. It's kind of a golden peachy color. I think it's a good time it's a good thing I got this now, this time of the year, because this is looking kind of dark for me, but if I have a really nice tan, I think it'll be fine. And I'm getting a little bit tanner by the day. So I really like that. And I'm excited that I got a full-size Ofra highlighter. I didn't even think they did full sizes in the regular Ipsy base bag. So that's what I got in my Ipsy bag for June 2020. Out of all these things, I'm most excited about the Ofra highlighter, the leave-in conditioner, and the Tiffany blue fingernail polish. So pretty. So that is it. Short and sweet for my Ipsy bag. In the upcoming months, I'll most likely have add-ons, so it won't be such a short video, but you're off the hook today. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me to unbag my Ipsy bag for June 2020. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed seeing what I got, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. But until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. And so I feel like in the upcoming months, I'll most likely have add-ins